Hi, I'm Cody, a service advisor here at Overseas Motors Mercedes Benz. Today we're here to talk about 6 tips that you can use to save fuel. Let's face it, gas is really expensive, especially for those of us who have to communicate every day for work. There are many ways we can be smart and easily save money on fuel. The following are some tips that you can use to spend less on gas. Number 1, don't wait until you're totally out of gas. This will save you time. Also, if you run out of gas and your car shuts down, then that can lead to more trouble, which could be avoided. Number 2, keep a maintenance schedule. This will ensure your car is running at maximum efficiency and reduce its fuel consumption. Number 3, to save more money, try to use less air conditioning in your vehicle as your car consumes more fuel when the air conditioning is running. Number 4, don't overload your vehicle. Know how much weight your car can carry. If there's too much weight in your car, the vehicle will consume more fuel. Number 5, to save fuel, use the most efficient route to your destination. Try to choose a route with less traffic signals and fewer cars on the road. Finally, number 6, use the car when it's necessary, and if possible, carpool with others to reduce fuel usage. For any maintenance needs, please give us a call or come in and visit us at Overseas Motors Mercedes Benz.